This is an easy way.
Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. You may hear Riley Rue on the other side of the table.
Hello.
She is painting in her mixed media book. Do you want to come and show everybody real quick? Bring it around. This is her little mixed media book. She's done, like she could paint here if she wanted to. Learning from the best. Ha, that would be me.
I taught it some.
See, I'm teaching her now. She can go back and paint here if you want, Riley, over this.
I don't want to.
Yeah.
Because I only want to.
So she's doing this page right now. All right.
Then that's the other pages.
Okay. Maybe you have to let it dry between pages. But back to why I'm here with this video. You need to come over here because there's something in here for you.
Okay.
This is from Crafts by Tereasa. Ready?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Put your hands right here. Okay. Turn your hand. Turn your hand. Well, keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Right, keep your eyes closed.
I'm stretching.
Are you stretching?
Like this.
Okay. Okay. What do you say to Tereasa?
Thank you.
She's upside down, but she thanks you. I'm not going to make y'all too dizzy. Need help?
I had one of these.
Alright, let's continue. Alright, so there's this box that Tereasa and I plan on altering. She's got a few herself. Oh, and a bat. Little black bat. And you can, so cool, because you can, and a little fairy girl.
A fairy girl?
Yep, for our fairy garden next year. And these little globes. Them are cool. Another, oh, this one broke. Okay, I'll put that right there. And that one. And some little seats. I'll keep that, you never know. Another little fairy.
A baby fairy.
Oh, look at that, little chairs. Yeah, we have a little unicorn. And a bunny. Whoa. And just a, oh, it's a clock. All right, I got that. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. All right. So that's cool. We'll put that right there. We'll put these. I have my fairy stuff packed up because I have all fairy stuff to make with the kids, and this summer just flew by way too fast. Plus, with all the work going around here with the new landlord, we just didn't get to do our fairy garden. Thank you, Tereasa. And the one broke, no big deal. All right. Oh, here I'm gonna put this right here.
The next summer you can put it up.
She sent these so that maybe, and maybe Riley wants to, we can make little pins. You can make some art with paper and circles. Nana will cut out the circles and then you can make pins. So that's cool. So we'll put them right there. I'm just reaching in. Oh, we have another tree for the fairy garden. And we got some more buttons. That'd be cool. You make some art. Nana will cut you out some circles when I'm done here. And you make some pretty art. And I will put it in here and we'll send Tereasa one.
Okay. Actually,
Two? Okay.
Yeah.
And we have some little green foliage. And some more foliage. Oh, look at the little cactuses. Some more foliage. And I have no idea. Oh, I know what these are. Yes, I know what these are. Okay. Tereasa bought, and I don't know what it's called, but I'm excited to see this. I'm showing you this. It's, uh-oh. If I could peel them apart without breaking. Okay. Slow. Whew. Okay, slow. So they're like paste or some sorts. Every journey starts with a step.
Can you color them?
Yeah.
Can I color one?
No, these are for Nana's book she's making. Eat Me. Wonderland. I like rubber. It's really weird.
You don't take the rubber ones?
Okay, I'm gonna try to go from the back. Oh. Okay, come on. Okay, this one is, I can't go back to yesterday because I was a different person then. And then, just kind of work it a little bit here. Drink Me. And, ooh, this one says, Happy something day and adventure. I got them all on stock. Woohoo! I just can't read. Happy under something day. I'll have to ask Teresa. Those are cool though. But I think next time she mails me something with this stuff, she may have to put wax paper between each one. Lesson learned in shipping. And look at this cool stuff, guys. For mixed media. Cool.
What is it?
And get this. I can't wait for Christmas. I love this pattern for Christmas. And we're going to save this for last. And she sent me a whole bunch of bats.
The whole bag was full with bats.
Yep, a whole thing of bats.
Strange.
Yeah, well, it's Halloween time.
I know.
What
You can hang them up there on my ceiling.
Oh, yeah, we could do that, hey?
Or on my wall.
Yeah, cool. So, and we all know if you watched my video from yesterday with Teresa, and it is called Tina and Teresa's Classic Alice in Wonderland Adventure Journal, or album. I put journal, it should be album. We are making an Alice in Wonderland album, and she sent me about 6 of these, thinking they were all going to be different, and they were all the same. I already had one, but she sent me another one. And then she put 2 in a carton, didn't mean to, or whatnot. She's like, she didn't remember, but she was kind enough. And sent me the 6x6 pad that goes with the one we're working on.
I'm gonna eat no more candy.
Yep. So that's cool.
That's too much.
So we had the 12x12, and she came across 6x6, and she ordered 2, and she sent me one. So that's that. And then this is the newest addition to my bingo night right here. And
Can I do?
you want to unwrap this?
Yeah.
Okay, Riley wants to unwrap. Look at this pretty material it's wrapped in. Ready? It's a new.
I see it.
What is it?
The baby.
Yeah, it's a baby. It's a bingo baby. It's mixed media bingo baby. Don't take its head off. Head off. Head off. Head off. Lay it down so they can see it. Oh, I don't know if she's had that glued on or not, but we could just put it on.
It wasn't.
Isn't that pretty? It's Nana's new bingo baby when she plays bingo.
I do have the bingo and blue mints.
Oh.
But I have to keep them alone.
They're so cute. He will be out on Monday to play bingo with me. What should we name the baby? You're thinking? Glitter?
Glitter shine.
Huh?
Glitter shine.
Glitter sign? You want to name it Glitter sign?
Glitter shine.
Oh, Glitter Shine. The baby's name is Glitter Shine.
Because there's glitter and it shines.
Okay, Glitter Shine is the new baby Bingo's name. So, thank you, Teresa. He's adorable. I've seen him in pictures, but I tell you, when you see something out front, it's totally different. So, what do you want to say to Teresa?
Thank you.
All right, everybody. I will talk to you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, be happy. Be kind.
Be kind.
Be safe. Be funny. Be crafty. And bye for now.